Wine trail in the Frithsden vines or vineyard. So we are going that way now. These are all phonics, and you see these are younger ones, so that's a good idea actually, to let the grape go like that, hanging on that thing. But if you have the land, I don't have that much land, so I have to train them against the wall and the fences at the margin of the allotment, where in the center we have apples and other fruits, proper trees. So these can grow, a kind of climber you can call them. They can grow on the hedges and the walls where other fruits will not actually do well like that. But look at the shape of the leaves. They're more tender, they're much better. This is Phoenix or Phonix grape wine. And yeah, they have another variety of grape here, which is quite small. It must be a kind of late variety, this one. But these are different probably they look different. The leaves are smaller than the Phonix. Interesting. And look at the distance between the trees. I think mine is a little bit even farther than that. These are just about a meter or 3 feet or 4 foot different. Mine is about 1.5 meters apart. So I think that my grape vine was really better positioned. Look at the size of this leaf, is huge. But that is the way. You put poles, you draw lines, wire lines, and then train the grapevine over it. So actually under it is open, as you can see. So the air flows. And of course, I have to ask them how they manage with to kill the weeds. There is no weed here. There's not much weed here. So do they use weed killer? You have to ask them. Oh, you see, this is a better view, vantage point or vintage vantage point. You can see from the top. And the winemaking equipment, those are the things that are the barrels they fill with the wine thingy juice. Of course, that is when they are ready in autumn. You can extract the juice of the wine at this stage when they're small and they're sour. Use it as a kind of, instead of the lemon juice. Lemon is difficult outdoors to grow in England, so you can have it instead with this. And we call it ab roure. Ab roure means the juice of roure. Roure is this stage of the grape. Ab roure means water of roure. So you can use it in food instead of the lemon juice. Beautiful landscape. And today is it 22nd? Yes. Yeah, 22nd of the August. And they have a line to divide the things. And this looks like a elder. Is he elder? Elder and other things also. This one is elder. And those ones I'm not sure. You can use also, you know, if you have a big land and you want to use as a hedge, you can use even some varieties of the plum for hedging. I think this one is the one which was called Solaris. And you see, as you see, the leaves are different, they're paler, they're thicker. The grapes are a little bit ahead of those Phonix ones. And I told that, a little bit, yeah, kind of sour yet. Slightly sweeter than the Phonix at this stage, but anyway, that's the way it is. Ooh, wire. That's a health and safety hazard.
Yes, it is.
They should have marked that. People can trip over that. Okay. And the rows of the grapevines go. As you see, Solaris is not as prolific as the Phoenix. Probably these are younger. One reason. I think these ones are 3 or 4 years old. They're not older than ours. The same age probably. Yeah. Oh, I can tell. Okay, that's 1 year, that's 2 year, 3 year. This is 3 years old. You see 3 stages of growth there. 1, 2, 3. I have to ask them, is this Solaris is less prolific than the Phoenix or no? It's just because they are younger.
Yeah.
So that's interesting. And probably because of that reason they are not really hanging down. Okay, this one is the first one, Roma, or whatever it was. Oh, that's the Solaris. That was something else. Oh, I forgot. Anyway. You want to see it? I mean, it's up to you. I'm just suggesting. Okay. This is a beautiful day. There's a nice way of seeing things, and I just put this on the